Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can make a house key within 15 seconds. You just need one of your original key, and then one of a blank key, and then also you need a machine. This name, as you can see, 044 semi-automatic cutting key machine. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, first of all, since I record this myself, let me set this so you can see it better. Okay, just put it like this. That's it. Now you have one copy key and one original key. This looks all the same, as you can see. Right? It took like less than 50 seconds, isn't it? And so if we need any question or comment, so let us know below. And if you need help, you can step by. I will put the address and location, all the information you need. Thank you.